Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Open the Google app, sign in, and give microphone and notification permissions so the assistant can listen and respond. Once done, go to Settings Google Assistant and enable Hey Google or Voice Match so it recognizes you. Make sure the correct account is active and the device language matches your speech. Then, record voice match prompts when asked so the assistant learns your voice. This makes two-way interaction reliable and personal from the first test. You now configure how the assistant talks back. Open Assistant Settings and choose Voice and Speech to pick a voice and adjust speech rate and output volume. Once set, enable spoken notifications and continued conversation so replies are verbal and follow-up friendly. Also, edit routines or create custom responses for phrases you use often so replies feel natural. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking verbal responses. After configuring, test with simple prompts and listen for the chosen voice and pacing to confirm settings took effect. You finish by testing and automating. Say Hey Google and ask clear prompts like weather or timers to confirm talkback works. If responses are text-only or silent, make sure media volume and assistant voice volume aren't muted, disconnect Bluetooth audio devices, and verify language settings match your speech. If problems persist, restart the phone and rerun voice match recording. This often resolves recognition or voice output issues. Finally, add a routine to trigger spoken summaries automatically, so the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.